Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Capsule CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Gmail to your Capsule CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Gmail to your Capsule CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, you know that switching between different programs can be time consuming. So if you connect your Gmail to your Capsule, you can actually send emails directly from your Capsule CRM. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Capsule CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Capsule CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to connect your Gmail, you're going to click on your profile name here on the top right. Once you click there, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on preferences. All right. Once you do that, you're going to see these few boxes, but you want to look for the one with a paper airplane. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, so here they're going to give you a little bit of information about connecting your Gmail to your Capsule CRM, but you want to click on this button here, sign in with Google. Okay, so if you have more than one Gmail, you want to go ahead and choose the correct one. So I'm going to choose this one. Okay, next, Google is going to let you know that they're going to share your name, email address, and language. If you're okay with that, click on continue. Okay, next, Gmail asks what permissions you want to give Capsule. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and choose this box here at the top and then click on continue. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes and it brings me back here to Capsule CRM. So you can see your email account has been successfully connected to your Capsule account. So now in order to send an email, all you're going to do is go to your contact. All right, once you're in your contacts, you want to go ahead and click on the contact you'd like to send an email to. But once you click on the contact, you're going to look for this button here, send email. Okay, once you click there, it's going to open up this box. So you can go ahead and type up an email and you're going to see your address and their address right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Gmail to your Capsule CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.